Well, I'll first start with my journey, with the whole experience that I had. So, the concept basically, my area that I have, my backyard is not so large. So, I always thought that it was not never possible to put a pool. But when I searched for online for a few pool companies, I came across Blue Wave and I sent them also a message. The best thing I liked about Blue Wave was that they did reply to me instantly. I didn't have to wait for too long, and they were very quick in replying to my messages. Also, giving me a few examples of their pools and photos. They shared a few photos, and then they came here. Although it was very far, they still came here and they saw my area and they gave me a few suggestions what I can do, which was really helpful because अगर वो suggest नहीं करते तो शायद मैं pool डाल भी नहीं पाती और इस time मैं इतना enjoy भी नहीं कर पाती. So thanks to Fahim and Ubaid bhai for giving me all the advice, good advice, and being so helpful. Uh, so basically, they whatever they told me to put a 6 by 20 pool, and my contractor he dug up everything, and the whole time जब contractor का काम भी चालू था, so Ubaid was in touch with my contractor, and I didn't have to stress at all the whole time. They were communicating between them, and all I had to do was keep talking to them, and their work was uh, amazing. I have no complaints at all. उनके जो liner बिठाने के लिए जो लड़के आए, plus the plumbing के जो आए, within one day, it was so quick. I was very happy how quick the work was done, and they explained to me everything. The process was really really good. They are very professional, I would say. Firstly, that's what I was impressed with because the way they communicated, very professional. Even the messages, like even the payment schedule and what will happen, how it will happen. They explained everything about the product. Also, they gave me all the information. So I'm very very happy with the team. And of course, the boys who came to put the pool in, they were very very good, very helpful, very respectful, and very good workers as well. For me, it's changed the whole vibe of my place. Basically, having a pool and not having a pool is totally different. All my friends are coming and they're so happy because it just brings everyone together. Like, let's have a pool party or, sit, hang out by the pool. And especially in this area, it's so hot. I must say, throughout the year, I'm going to use the pool because even winters में भी यहाँ पे गर्मी होती है, even summer में, तो ये area में तो pool का 100% requirement है. And since the pool has been put, मैं तो दिन में 5 बार pool के अंदर जाती हूँ. जितने बार मैं कोई काम कर रही हूँ या बाहर dogs को लेके जाके फिर also, yeah, I must say, I shouldn't forget the name of the guy who explained about the machine. जैसे जो motor कैसे run करना है, उनका नाम है Ashfaq. Ashfaq. So yes, he was so good and so patient because to operate, क्योंकि मुझे खुद करना पड़ेगा, तो उन्होंने मुझे बहुत अच्छे से सिखाया, बहुत अच्छे से. उन्होंने मुझे पूरा वीडियो भी बना के दिया. तो लोगों को ऐसे लगता है कि बहुत डिफिकल्ट है पूल ऑपरेट करना प्लस क्लीनिंग, बट जिस तरह से उन्होंने मुझे समझाया, नाउ आई एम डूइंग एवरीथिंग ऑन माय ओन. वैक्यूम से लेके एंड क्लीनिंग से लेके एंड देन हाउ टू क्लोरीन डाल के, वो सब उन्होंने मुझे बहुत अच्छे से सिखाया. सो थैंक यू सो मच एज वेल. See, I also was not knowledgeable about the liner वाले pool, है ना. मुझे तो लगा कि शायद tiles होगा plus या फिर वो जो एक already made होता है वो. तो so when I got this, in fact my friends also commented जब उन्होंने कल ये pool use किया, that it's so soft even for kids. क्योंकि टाइल वाले पूल में कभी कभी लगने का भी डर होता है, ये तो इतना स्मूथ है एवरीथिंग, एंड क्लीनिंग में भी कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. So that is the latest technology. So I am very impressed with it, and I would suggest to people कि अगर वो सोच रहे हैं तो definitely go for the FRP. Is that FRP? It's called. Yeah, the liner. So I'm very happy. The colors are amazing. You can choose all the different colors, and so I would suggest Blue Wave definitely because of their professionalism and the quickness of the work as well.